Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video, I'm going to explain to you why the burner cap is important in the function of the gas stove burner and getting it to ignite and to work properly. And the first reason why the burner cap is important is because it's made out of metal, of course, and it creates a spark in between the burner cap and the igniter, and that's what lights the gas and gets your burner going. So that's one important thing. The next thing is the gas comes out from here, and if the burner cap wasn't on there to force the gas out through the slots, the gas would just come up here and it probably wouldn't ignite and it'd be dangerous. You don't want that to happen. So the burner cap has those two functions. It helps ignite the igniter, make it spark, and it forces the propane out to make your nice flame. Now, if you hadn't had a chance to subscribe to our channel yet or give this video a like, we'd appreciate that. And a couple other things that could be an issue with your burner that's caused by the burner cap is if it's off a little bit, if it's not quite on right, you might see a higher flame on one side and then a smaller, tighter flame on one side, and that might just mean that your burner cap is not on level, So these are three things that the burner cap does that are important to the function of getting your gas stove burner to work. Once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. Thanks for watching. And as always, have a great day.